Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I would like to contribute to this bill, and before that, I want to take this opportunity to welcome members of Rockside Academy. The students are here today, and I want to advise the students, together with other students who are here, that it is only education that shall help you in life. That through education, you will help that parent of yours who is struggling to look for fees. It is said that the only thing that can replace a book is the next book. Therefore, make sure you work hard and you shall reach the city of victory through education. Thank you. And Madam Speaker, as I contribute to this bill on professionalizing social workers, I want to state, Madam Speaker, that social workers are ignored and have been ignored for a very long time. That everybody in this country has a body that is protecting them. Every profession has a body that is protecting them. If you look at lawyers, they have the Law Society of Kenya. If you look at doctors and medics, they have a body, KMPDU, that is protecting their interest. If you look at teachers, they also have a body that is protecting their interest. Madam Speaker, it is therefore in the interest of the social workers to have a body that shall protect their interest. And social workers must be treated with utmost respect. And in addition to that, we also fight for the salary increment, if possible, of these social workers, because these are people who are doing a lot in the community, in our society, to better our community, yet they are being paid very little amount of money. And they have challenges to meet, challenges of fees, challenges of other bills. And this, Madam Speaker, I really support the bill by Mheshimiwa Kimilu. Thank you, and God bless you.